When a business arrives in Henderson, I think they find a community that's incredibly supportive, very much involved in trying to make sure your business succeeds.
We started our franchise back in 2017, and we were looking for a way to grow our business here in Henderson. And what we found was a partner who went out of their way to find us great solutions to build what is now Lifeguard Arena. They've just been an unbelievable partner in this endeavor.
Henderson really makes it easy for businesses to relocate here or expand their existing services. The City of Henderson has a vision for sustainable growth, and that's something that we want to be a part of and want to partner with them for the next 50 years.
Henderson is an absolutely fantastic community to be in. We have seen a lot of growth as a result of being in Henderson.
It's a real improvement over where we were in terms of cost of living, in terms of congestion, in terms of what people can afford for themselves and their families. We've seen a real increase in the standard of living for our employees, and happier employees make for a happier business. What we've said is this is a get to yes environment, get to yes state, get to yes county. We've just been able to work through obstacles as opposed to finding new ones.
When I spoke to the City of Henderson about our proposal to bring our first subsidiary to North America, they gave us a lot of help in finding realtors for space and looking at the business process, whether it was permits, whether it was meeting the right people in the city to help us actually get established.
The culture with the City of Henderson is about moving business opportunity forward in a fast, productive, and business-friendly way, and they've just been absolutely the best city that I've ever worked with.